You guys want to see the second half of this? There's probably 3 parts, but I figured I'd tag you along for the other half of this. I like to clean them all. I got them apart and re-grease them because that old peanut butter is pretty nasty stuff. So I already did the black one, but I thought I'd leave the white one for you guys to see if I can do this with one hand. So there's the nastiness all in its wonderful self, and we're gonna douche it. I'm using CRC QD electronic cleaner, and spray a little bit in each hole. And then I take one of these little bottle brushes. This isn't really a perfect brush for this, but I take one of these bottle brushes and shove them in there and just kind of work it back and forth. I can't do it with one hand to show you, but that's what I do. And try to pull out as much of that peanut butter as I can that's in there. And then just keep kind of blasting it out. Don't forget the middle hole. That's the most important one. So on the bottom side, it's actually a bunch easier. Just fill the stupid thing up with cleaner. I blast each pin as I go. And it eventually fills the connector body up completely with electronics cleaner. And let that sit there and eat for 5 or 10 minutes, and it'll be clean as new. And then I suck it out with just by sticking a paper towel in there and letting it absorb. Anyhow, that's about it. I don't know that there's a need for the third part here. The last part I do is I just take some dielectric grease and punch a little in each hole to prevent future corrosion. And we're reset for another 20 years. See ya.